Like if a snake bites you, no matter another snake is poisonous or not, you are feared by all the snakes around in the world. So similarly, women are feared by men. But it's our responsibility to do the minimum so that they can feel a little bit more safe. Like just make him like if you feel a girl is feeling uncomfortable around you in a public bus or in a metro, just take a safe distance or make the vibe in a way that okay, I'm not here to harm you, or make things comfortable for them.
I think the awareness about the problem is the main thing, that everybody know that the problem right now is gone. Like many people doesn't know about what is the problem, true problem about this. So I think all men should know the problems which women face today.
I also believe that there is a lot of politics floating around this. So we should not also indulge in politics. Rather, we should start giving our peers, our younger siblings, our known people about sex education, things we should know as people, as citizens, as men, obligations that we have in our society. Often women are taught a lot about how to behave, how to be in public, but men are not considered same. So that's a thing that we need to change in the curriculum. We need to change on the micro level in the family discussions and all, so that can make the true men in the society what we are there for.
उनको गलत चीज़ों से रोक सकते हैं, जैसे कुछ गलत काम ना करने दें सोसाइटी में, और उनको उस लाइन में ना जाने दें जो उनके आगे लाइफ में गलत हो।
गन दे देंगे, गन दे देंगे।
गन दे देंगे आपको लगता है गन से वो सेफ रहेंगे?
हाँ, चलाना सिखा देंगे।
To learn to how to respect women, like our mother, our sister, and everything. If we like, if we are able to do that, then how can we do just such an animals to other fellow women?
We need to understand like women are not just like to be as she shared now, like not the thing to satisfy men needs or something, and to also make clear that all women, last like a sister or a mother, we need to realize that they are our also part of our family. So when first we need to realize that thing. So we are not doesn't need to think that another gender or another thing. So that's the first thing we need to realize. First thing we need.
But that's the thing, that crime against women also happen by family members.
Yeah, family members are also involving in they are also supporting for the honor killing and all the things against women also. But proper education and also maybe many changes and also another maybe modification in the laws also should be there for proper realization. We need to hear their problems also, what the woman actually faces in the society, and also feel them, how they feel and how they faces many their own issues and all the thing, and don't judge them from the like a men's side. So don't be a patriarchal. The patriarchal society is the actual problem where it comes from. So we need to change that mindset actually.
Personally, I think protests have their place in society, and peaceful protests also. But at this point, the kind of things that have actually happened, I think at this point we should go ahead and treat them as what they are, and vermin, and just eliminate them out of this world actually. Because शांति की अपनी जगह है और वायलेंस की अपनी जगह है, और वायलेंस का अब थोड़ा टाइम आ चुका है. इंडिया एज अ कंट्री हैज़ अ वेरी robust and well defined justice system. The problem comes is in the terms of implementation of that. So we need to work on that first of all at the most only. Police reforms are needed on the basis of institutional basis, like where and all how they are tracking criminals and what all they are doing. Resources should be put into that. There should be specialized cells for these kind of things if we want to like eradicate this completely for this world. Obviously, as an individual, you have a limited effect only. That what you can do. What you can do is you can keep a check on, if someone is going out here, okay, just keep me updated, all that. If you feel that there is something wrong there, just tell them that, okay, warn them कि हाँ यहाँ पे कुछ हो सकता है or not, and just keep a check on them कि मतलब बात कर लो, and make everything feel safe for them, that they do not feel like they have to hide something from you. Just be approachable to talk.
It's basically a small amount of contribution an individual can make, but if that small amount of contribution is made by every single individual, like this protest actually happened, if just one person roamed around to South Campus and came back, it wouldn't have made much of an impact. But we all actually gathered here, we performed a Nukkad Natak. It actually made people stop and look at it and have a thought about it. So at the end of the day, if more people actually divert their minds to the issues that are actually important instead of just supporting Elvish Yadav on Instagram, I think our country would be a much safer place for every person to live, not only.